I don't only want to engage the students during lectures, but also want them to be interested and engaged during their homework assignments. So one assignment that I had for my C phages course, which is a bacteriophage class, is this phage adventure where the students are actually the bacteriophage and they go through the lytic and the lysogenic life cycle. And this way they learn the different proteins and the functions of those proteins. So for example, when you enter or encounter a bacterial cell, what do you want to do as a bacteriophage? And here, do you attach to the bacterium using your capsid or the tail? And depending on what you click, so for example, if you click that you dive in capsid first, well, you didn't really attach to the cell, and it explains why. And that way you learn where the mistake is, why is that incorrect, and then you have the option to find a new cell and then successfully adhere to the cell. And this is a very low stake assignment. If you get through it, you get the marks. And we also go over this assignment and do other activities in class.